In this video we will make this wall hanging in Revit. We will make use of adaptive parametric modeling. This has components that are made in Revit adaptive template. Two family types have been created, Type 1 and Type 2. Open a metric generic model adaptive type template. At the ref level, place 3 points and make them adaptive. Join the points with a spline. Do not check the as reference line box as we need the lines to be visible in the next file into which this file is going to be loaded. Place a point at the line. Set a horizontal plane at the point. Place another point over it and hold the new point and assign a new offset parameter to it. Assign some value to the offset. Hold both the points and copy and check inside the box multiple and UN constrain and place 6 copies at the screen. Hold the base point and press pick new host and place the points at the line again. Here are 7 pairs of points. Hold the third and the fifth upper points and assign a new offset parameter and put a higher value to it. Join the end pairs of points with a spline as shown here. Hold all the points and join with a spline. Change the normalized curve parameter value of the endpoints to either 0 or 1 so that they come to lie at the ends. Change the NCP values of the second points from the ends at a distance of 0.1 from the end. The NCP values of the third point will be 0.25 and fourth will be 0.5 and fifth will be 0.75. In the Family Types box, create 2 types. For the Type 2, interchange the values for OFF1 and OFF2. Open a new template conceptual mass type. At the level 1, place reference planes 2 on either sides of the central plane and place an aligned dimension between all the 5 planes and press equal. Place an aligned dimension between any of the 2 planes and create a new parameter. Go back to the first file and load it into it. Place the component at 3 points at the grid. The component seems to have inverted, so select it and check the box for flip. This could have been avoided if we had checked the box always vertical in the previous file. Place the components at the other ref planes. Select all the components and check the box for flip. Make the first component to type 1 and the second to type 2 and subsequent ones place them alternately. Hold all the components and create a form. Place a rectangle at the level 1 and select and create a form. If it is too high, then select the top surface and make it a little lower. Select the form and change it to a void. Select the form and press copy and paste the void to the form at reference planes. If the void does not cut through, then use Cut Geometry tool to cut it. Rotate the void by 90 degrees and place it parallel to the other ref planes. Again, copy and paste at the ref planes to cut the form. In the similar manner, place a rectangle. This time it should be thinner than the previous one. Create the from and change it to a void. Hold the form and paste it a number of times at regular distances. Make sure that the width of the void bars is same as the square width. Select all the voids and copy and paste at the form. Adjust with the help of arrow keys. Copy at the other forms. Use cut geometry to cut the voids that have not been cut. Filter out the form and assign a material parameter. Assign material. Please like, share and subscribe.